Welcome to Talk D. You're watching one of those episodes where we are in conversation with Mr. Anshu Gupta, the man behind this invaluable movement, Gunj. Lots of awareness, lots of insights, and lots of thought provoking statements. Let's hear it back from him. What's next?
Lot of NGOs and like charitable organizations have transactionalized this complete donation thing. One can just go to any website or app or maybe even a payment gateway today, pick their cause and click pay. That's how transactional these donations have become recently. What are your thoughts on this current situation?
No. So listen, I think there are bad lenses of people the way they are looking at the development sector. Okay. Uh,
Okay.
so many people come even to Gunj and they start talking about when my team interacts and all that. So many people have asked them, "Do you get salary?" What kind of silly question is this? And if you get, how much do you get? Funding agencies will say, you tell us the cost of dal chawal or whatever you're giving in kit, but we cannot do the admin part. So my salary is admin, and your salary is what? You have a burden on your organization because you're so well paid. What expect from the development sector people? They don't have families, they don't have emergencies. I mean, Vani, one of these leading institution in the development sector, which is just a small consortium, we started just mapping that how many people have we lost of the development sector. Within a couple of days, there were 37 leaders of the development sectors who are no more in this COVID second phase. Do we know them? No one wants to call us frontline worker, although we are the risk takers. Sitting in your homes, beautiful homes, or in your offices and negotiating how much will go in the kit, if we give you 10 lakh rupees, what will happen is absolutely fine. Come on the road and work. Deliver it. Because this world and this country, I think is in a huge amount of bad notion, because we think that by creating roti.com we can get roti. So that's how everyone is talking about technology. You see, what we are not understanding that right from the person who is growing wheat for your bun, for a burger, to the person who is making a bun, right? To the person who is delivering, is all human being. So development sector certainly needs to be looked at in a different way, because it's a people-oriented work. It's a gang of risk takers who are unfortunately doing a lot of work which ideally we shouldn't have done. But because there are lapses in the systems, there are gaps in the system, that's why you are trying to fill. It is absolutely fine to raise money through different portals, because I think it is absolutely foolish to think that a lot of good work can happen without money. Right? When you need more of money to reach out to large number of people, and especially in this kind of disaster, uh, even if you have 10 lakh rupees, you can only support some 800 or 1000 families, and that too for 10 days of basic ration. There are certain other misconceptions also. Once you give like 5 kg rice or 2 kg dal to someone or 1 kg dal to someone, and you start claiming that we are doing this, people have got this much, that much, whatever. I mean, imagine in cyclones and all kind of things. This is the first time when the west and east both the coast are have gone through such cyclone. Someone has lost something of the last 2 generation, of the last 3 generation. All the belongings, all the savings. We give them 7 kg of dry ration and think this is good enough. How does it operate? So more money needs to be generated, more money needs to be transferred to the people. At least in the development sector, you are able to do a lot of instant work, lot of instant support to people. So I'm a strong supporter that more of such portals should come, and large number of people who cannot contribute to the society with their physical work They will never go to the villages and work. They will not go to the slums and work. They must contribute as much as possible with money, because that's the only thing they can do right now. Many times we don't need skills of people who are sitting in Gurgaon and Kochi, right? Because our organization does not need that. We don't need those kind of tech skills and all. You have a lot of skills. But what you have is that we can put in our hard work. Community organization can take all kind of risks. You put in money because that's what you have, and you also have to pay to the society. You have to pay back to the society. And that's what people are doing, fortunately. I mean, it's good that so many portals have come up and it has made giving very easy. And a large number of people in this country participate in this with all the good intentions and give money, material, everything.
So in a simpler way, we can derive that these transactional donations or charity or interactions also have certain positives if done right.
How do you call it transactional? What is that which is where you are calling it transactional? What point are you calling it transactional?
Press of a thumb, maybe scanning a QR code, press of a thumb, not even getting into the actual action of things. Just scanning a QR code and thinking, okay, fine, I've done my bit of good work.
So that's absolutely fine, because banks' work is to give money or give loan. Bank will not go and do the cow rearing and all that or the goat rearing. Bank will not do. So there are separate agencies for separate work. Not everyone will go to the field. So if there is a portal where the role of the portal is to collect money and pass it on, portal is making it easy for people to give, and then it is passed on to a doer organization which is in the field. So that's how the entire chain is completed. I mean, consultants of such big companies never go and make their hands dirty. They only consult. So there are and all these roles are important, in a chain to grow.
Clearly, each have their role cut out in this complete process too.
Press the bell icon to subscribe to our channel for more episodes of Talk D.